Welcome back, Skate Fam. We got a special unboxing here, and this one is from POWELL PERALTA themselves. Again, they reached out to me because I did my Dragon Wheels review. I got first and second video. If you subscribed to me because of that video, I just gotta say thank you all who watched it, who prepped for it, who did everything, because the first video and the second video, they are still pushing on, and the Dragon Wheels have been incredible and I'm still using to this day. I did make a short showing how they look like firsthand, and then now 3 months later how they look like. And again, the graphic is gone, but the wheels are still solid. And this one right here, FedEx did drop this one off. I thought it was something else, but I'm super happy. They put my name and they put Animal Chin on it. You know what Animal Chin is, 1987 character, Bones Brigade video. It was funny to see that. And whoa, things are popping up now, but let's get into this unboxing. Had to do with the box cutter, man. What's funny about this is that they had originally messaged me on Instagram. They said they want to use it as a testimonial video. I was like, cool, they'll put the video up with where the wheels are, but they said they were gonna give me a couple t-shirts, but they never actually told me. I don't know what that is. It's like, looks like grape jelly on it. It really does look like grape jelly. What the heck? They said that there was supposed to be 2 t-shirts, but this box does not feel like just 2 t-shirts going on here. Let's get into this. I'm excited. They didn't send me any message that they sent her and gave me any tracking on it. Wow. Okay, so I see, yeah. Gave me a few things here. First off is this POWELL PERALTA. Is it a 6-panel? Right there with the Ripper logo on it. So again, shout out to POWELL PERALTA again, hooking it up. Let's see what else we got here. I see the heft in there. Got an Andy Anderson t-shirt for me. Did they get the size right? Yep, awesome. Gonna open it up, you know. Bring on the cheer. You see the front right there? Let's flip that around. Does he have a back print? Yep, that's it. Look at the back print on that. Crazy, which is definitely awesome. It is one of the legends of the Bones Brigade, and crazy enough, I mean, even through Vans, he's the only skater sponsored by Vans. I don't know if he's going on, like, what is it, almost 30 years? It's super crazy. I love this color too. Oh, that's what the heft was. There it is. They hooked it up. It is sweater weather time. It is winter. A hoodie. Wow, I didn't expect that. The POWELL PERALTA logo right in the front. Look on the back here. That huge print. That is beautiful. Again, I just gotta say thank you, POWELL PERALTA, for hitting me up, seeing the videos first off. These videos, this channel was not supposed to really hit anywhere. I didn't believe it was going to. I didn't know it was going to go anywhere with it. With YouTube changing the way it has changed, it's very difficult to understand where anything is going. And I love the fact that this channel is growing in a way that is so organic and so fun. That really legendary brand, first off, a legendary skate brand that I grew up with from my friend's older brother showing us the original Bones Brigade, and seeing that and coming to this, it's like full circle and it's crazy. I got something else. You already know what this is. Board box. So let's get into this. There's mini logo grip tape. Ooh, they threw in a Bucky Lassick sticker. Wow. Okay. A POWELL PERALTA skull and sword. Yes. A POWELL PERALTA skull and sword. Crazy colored deck. Look at the color on it. It's got like almost like Tiffany blue, but it has this gold like foil look to it. It's an 825. Very happy with this one. The concave in it is beautiful. Again, I gotta say thank you all for watching. Special thanks to POWELL PERALTA checking out my videos and pushing them on. Again, if you haven't seen the Dragon unboxing that I did, kind of check it out, because in an amount of time I will be doing a full review on those 64mm dragons that are with my somewhat cruiser, as now I've skated it. If you've seen the shorts, if you haven't, go check them out. Again, thank you all for watching, and thank you for all for the subs, and thank you all for the support. This was Mick.